Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites fast. Make sure family sharing is active and that the Apple Music family plan is purchased. Once done, verify every person has an Apple ID and is invited to the family group. That's how libraries and subscriptions are linked. Sign in on the device you'll use, open Settings then Music, or open the Music app and tap Listen Now to confirm subscription. Do this now so the shared catalog and playlists will sync across accounts automatically. Now enable the sharing features that let you access family content. In Family Sharing settings, turn on Share My Purchases and Apple Music sharing so purchases and recommendations appear. Open the Music app and use Listen Now or the Shared With You section to see family playlists and recently played items. Use Search to find a shared album, then tap the plus to add it to your library, or use the download icon to make it available offline. This ensures you control what syncs to your device, while keeping data you finish by confirming everything syncs. Check that each device is signed into the correct Apple ID and that the Music app is updated. If a library or playlist fails to appear, restart the device and sign out then back into your Apple ID to force a refresh. Make sure you have adequate storage and a stable network. Region restrictions can block some content, so verify family members share the same country setting. If issues persist, disable and re-enable Apple Music sharing to reset access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.